Hi, thank you so much for booking your appointment with Main Brow and Lash. We are excited to see you soon. To ensure the best possible results, please take a few minutes to listen to our pre-care instructions and studio policies. Before your appointment, please discontinue the use of anti-aging skincare products such as retinol, retin-A, glycolic acids, and other exfoliating products on the treatment area for at least 2 weeks. Botox appointments need to be at least 2 weeks apart from your permanent makeup appointment. Avoid chemical peels, PRP facials, and any facial laser treatments for at least 30 days prior to your appointment. If you are currently taking Accutane, you must be off the medication for a minimum of 1 year before receiving permanent makeup services. If you have a sunburn, irritation, or damaged skin in the treatment area, we will not be able to perform the procedure until the skin has fully healed. We also strongly recommend avoiding tanning for at least 10 days before your appointment. We ask that you avoid alcohol for 48 hours before your appointment and avoid caffeine on the day of your procedure. If you take blood thinning medications and your physician approves discontinuing them, this may help minimize bleeding during the procedure. For safety reasons, we cannot perform services on clients who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Permanent makeup is also not suitable for individuals with a history of keloids or hypertrophic scarring, or taking oral or topical steroids, hemophilia, other bleeding disorders, or are currently taking antibiotics. If you have cancer or are currently undergoing chemotherapy or radiation treatments, or have diabetes, lupus, a heart condition, a pacemaker, organ transplant, or any other major medical condition, please provide a doctor's clearance note before your appointment. Without the doctor's clearance note, we will not be able to proceed with the service. For lip flushing clients, if you have ever experienced cold sores, you must obtain a prescription for Valtrex or another antiviral medication from your physician. Please begin taking it 2 days before your appointment, continue on the day of your procedure, and for 2 days afterward, unless otherwise directed by your doctor. Please avoid lip fillers for at least 2 weeks before your appointment. For eyeliner clients, please discontinue all lash growth serums for at least 3 months prior to your appointment. Leading up to your appointment, we encourage you to keep your skin healthy by drinking plenty of water and staying well hydrated. Healthy skin heals better and helps produce optimal results. Now, let's review our studio policies. All appointments require a non-refundable deposit to reserve your time slot. Because our appointments are lengthy and often reserved months in advance, your deposit secures dedicated times